2018 Chevy Camaro V6. What we got done on it for you guys. It's got factory converters there and there somewhere up top. Then it's strudelled into factory secondary converters. And then what we did, there's the resonator and mufflers over there. We cut everything off, trudelled it. And it's for, the lady goes, I want it as loud as possible. I said, okay, we'll make it as loud as possible. So that's what we did. We trudelled it all the way back into 4-inch tip quads. There and there. It's an RS. You guys can see right there. So it's true dual straight pipe all the way back. There's the muffler we cut off, this gigantic thing, and the resonator we cut off. And we cut off when you cut them off, you always want to cut these off too, because they're baffles. If you leave them on there, they'll rattle. I don't know if you guys can see. Right there, yeah. Anyways, there they are. Before, after, much better.
How many subscribers?
Almost 100,000. I told you. That's awesome. There's sound decibels, okay? 116, that's crazy. Made her day. Enjoy it. Yeah. Let her, once we're done. Go ahead and back it up. Chevy Camaro. True dual straight pipe. It's so loud. I love it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro V6 with 116 sound decibels. There she goes.